If you have back pain at that SI joint along the little nubbies back there, it might be coming from your hip. Check this out. If the hip gets really tight, this does not move as well. There should be a little bit of slide and glide, not that excessively. What can happen is this hip can get stuck. So we need to work on opening those back hip muscles to help that hip slide and glide, to help the SI joint, and to help the hip move better within that pelvis. Try this exercise. You're gonna take a yoga block, put it under your foot. You're gonna put it under the tighter side. And what we want is your hip to work into internal rotation. You're gonna feel a really big stretch at that spot. Your knee is gonna be mindful to not drop in too far. Don't want you hurting yourself, but you're also gonna let that hip dip in. After you stretch and move it, then my favorite is to strengthen it within that range. So we're gonna do those airplanes you guys have seen me do. Foot on the wall to stabilize. If you're strong enough, you can do this without support. You're gonna drop down. Well, let me do the same side. Roll into internal rotation, and then you're gonna lift up into external. Now you are mobilizing and you're strengthening to facilitate that slide and glide. You want to think about keeping your pelvis stable so that your hip is doing the movement and you're not kind of irritating or shearing or grinding that SI. Let me know if this helps. Reach out with questions. Sometimes we need to get in there with our hands and loosen it up first. So I have other stretches that are fantastic for that posterior hip capsule. So reach out and I'll send you those. I'll see you later.